A couple of notes before applying your YakTrax. This model, the YakTrak Spikes, do not differentiate between right and left. They're universal. What I did was take and mark my right and my left with a Sharpie, just so that I would know which one I'm using on which foot, in case of I notice a particular wear pattern, or if perhaps I start getting a nagging pain in my knee or in my shin. I'll be able to have a little more evidence to point to the cause of that. Second of all, if this is your very first pair of YakTrax, you'll want to know what is the toe area and what is the heel area. And YakTrak lets us know that by the word YakTrak. You'll find that at the toe section. Furthermore, you'll find the yak in the back or the heel section. Flat on the ground with the traction side down, you'll want to line up the arc of your foot with the gap in the YakTrak. You'll then start at the toe. Raising the toe a bit, you'll stretch the toe area securely over the toe. You'll then raise the heel, and utilizing the heel strap, you'll wrap that right around. You'll then take the performance strap, go over top of the laces, attach it through the gap, and you'll want to secure this tightly but not too tight, as when you're running you can cause some pain to the top of your foot here. You'll then just adjust the sides to straighten it out. Be sure that it's centered. And voila! Your YakTrax are now in place, and you're ready to safely run on any of the conditions that winter might throw at you.